You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Make a great choice today with the 2024 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, stability control, panoramic sunroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
There are plenty of reasons that Audi certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi certified cars, performance, and peace of mind.